Hi, I'm Mike Lanier. I joined co-worker here at Bridge about a month ago, and I've been certified to work in the wood shop, which is terrific. Norman, who does that training, did a super job. I'm not an absolute novice, but I generally don't know what I'm doing. And so he's so far been very helpful in just giving me pointers and so on. And this is a way for me to begin to get back into woodworking. So I started going over to the Albany Senior Center, and I do Mahjong 3 times a week and things like that. But they also have a Mahjong, and I'm never sure if I say it quite right, but a Mahjong group that gets together, and they have all the tiles and everything that's needed. But the original case that it came, or the 2 cases that it came with, are made of cardboard, and now it's about 90% duct tape and 10% cardboard, and it's wiggles, and the tiles have a little bit of heft to them. And so I thought, well, I'll try to make a couple of just little tile holders, if you will, and then I'll make a case for them to sit in. And so I've been playing with this one for a week, and finally got it to where I want it. And then I also bought a new squaring up apparatus, so I don't have to use rubber bands, so it only took me an hour to make the second one. So hopefully by a week out, I'll have this pretty well done. Plenty of room, the tools are all great. It's basically anything that anybody would want. And I'm sure if you look online, you can get all that, but it's here. Everyone that I've met, casually, other than staff, the co-workers themselves, they're all offering, suggestions and help and things like that because they enjoy it, or they wouldn't be here. And so it's like I say, it's just been terrific. And so anyway, I think it would be a very positive experience for anyone that enjoys it, and come and try it out.